guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this delicious banana pudding. I'm using a 9 by 13-inch glass dish, and to that I'm adding some sugar. Place this glass dish in the oven preheated 350 Fahrenheit until all of this sugar caramelized. And after 10 to 12 minutes, you're going to see the sugar caramelize just like that. And now let it set while we make the pudding. In a mixing bowl, add 3 large eggs, sugar, vanilla paste. Use a hand whisk and whisk everything together. Now add the ripe bananas. You can add 5 to 6 bananas for this recipe. Now start mashing the bananas with a hand whisk. Now add flour, milk powder, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, pinch of nutmeg, and coconut powder. And now mix everything until combined. Now everything has been combined. Now add cornstarch and mix. Mixture is ready to go in the prepared baking tray. And now just transfer the pudding onto the prepared caramelized baking tray. Then spread the pudding evenly. And this is going to go bake in my preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit. And here you go, my banana pudding took 25 minutes to bake, and now it's time to just run the knife around it, and then we're gonna flip it over. And now it does look like a caramel custard, but it's not. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top, then slice and serve immediately. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time with another great recipe. For now, bye bye.